I've been there, scrolling on my phone for hours and you don't even realize how much time you've wasted. I've been there where I want to do something and I haven't ended up starting what I told myself I would start months before. I've been there in December when I said January was gonna be the new year, new me, and nothing really happened. But today I sit in front of you as someone who owns 5 businesses. I'm starting more businesses, investing in more things, and trying to do even more than I have ever done before. And that is because I've learned how to be more productive and work on my mindset. Now remember guys, no matter what knowledge you have, no matter what information you have, no matter how many resources you have, it will be useless until you take action. It will be useless until you do something with that information or knowledge. And a lot of the times, I know this isn't something you want to hear, but it's important for me to say that you are responsible. There is no one more responsible of your life than you. There is no one who can make more change into your life than you. Things can be so much better, not because of any other factors, but today what you do with your life could change your life completely for the next 18 months to 24 months. Now remember, if you're trying to take action and you're finding it difficult and you still can't work out what the problem might well be, I'm going to go through a couple of problems. One, it's about understanding your why. Why do you want to do what you want to do? What's the reasoning behind it? And sometimes our why isn't big enough. Now I'm going to mention a few things in this video and hopefully they can put things into perspective. But by the way, if you want me to talk about this in detail, and maybe I can create a whole course on YouTube, by the way, for free. And you know I love to create free courses on YouTube. So if you want me to do that, just comment below mindset and I'll create something completely for free, which will help you guys a ton. But we start with this. Why do you want to create change in your life? Because a lot of the times we want to create change because we want to make 10,000, 15,000 or 20,000 pounds a month. But that isn't a big enough why. That doesn't mean anything. But if your why is now you want to do something for your children, you have a child, you have a daughter, and you want her to be raised in a Muslim country. You have a wife who she is going to work and you don't want her to go to work anymore. You have parents and you want your parents to go to Umrah every single year and you want to experience time with your parents, with your family, then that could be your why. And maybe your why isn't big enough. The why isn't big enough to why you want to get up every single day. And that sometimes is one of the biggest reasons why you're not taking action. Now remember, there's 2 things going on in your brain. One, you want to achieve something, you want to do something, you want to do actions, you want to be successful. And that part of your brain is telling you, go do something. The other part of your brain is saying, it's too difficult, it doesn't sound easy, it's probably not going to work. In essence, the positive side and the negative side. And it is on you now to think, is that negative side going to hold me back? Is that negative side going to drag me down? Or am I going to let that positive side, am I going to let my brain tell me I can achieve something and not let that negativity affect me? Truth is, for you to take action, you have to fight against that negativity in your brain. You have to fight against that pullback, which is saying it is hard, it's not going to work, it doesn't work for everyone. If everyone was to do it, well, surely everyone would be rich. This sort of mindset is never going to work. It's never going to work you putting the blame on someone else. It's never going to work you saying to yourself, it was the business and that is why it didn't work. Or blaming something else. It's always very important to blame yourself, because remember, I say this before and I say it again. You cannot come up with a solution until you realize there's a problem. But there's no point me telling you all about the problems, because we know there's a problem. We know when we get up every morning. We know when we're using our phones extensively. We know when we want to do something and we're not doing it. Sometimes we even know the reason. But I'm gonna make this a little bit simpler for you guys. And I'm actually going to tell you why and how you can improve the things you're doing on a daily basis and how you can make yourself take more action. See, let's say you have a goal. Your goal today is that you want to start a business and you want it to make £100,000 a year. Now that's your goal. You want your goal to make £100,000 a year. You start here. There's a process for you to get there. You're either going to tell yourself it's very difficult, there's a lot of hurdles, and the process isn't easy, and maybe the process isn't fun. Because let's be honest, right? This is the result to where you want to get to, and this is where you are. There is a journey now. Now this journey, you need to make it as easy as possible. Because your goal is something you want to achieve, but the route you take to achieve that goal has to be made easier, or it has to be a little bit more fun. It can't be boring, because if it's extremely difficult, if it seems like it's too far, if it's not fun at all, and a lot of other factors, in that journey, it's going to become very difficult for you to go on that route. So first of all, you're going to do this. And I sit in front of you as a 32-year-old who today, alhamdulillah, shukr Allah Azza wa Jal, runs 5 businesses, and I'm looking to add and I'm looking to invest more. I sit in front of you as someone who has come over that mindset issue. I sit in front of you and tell you that it's not about the money. It's actually about taking the steps. Sometimes we're so worried about the results, we forget that actually we need to focus on taking action. Whenever we're starting something, whenever we're doing something, we're thinking about the end result. If you're worried so much about the end result, you'll forget that there's a whole process. So actually, if you want to get to £100,000 a year, don't worry about the £100,000 a year. Focus on what you need to do today to get you there. And if it's 100%, if the whole process is 100%, then you need to think today, what could I do that could bring me closer to my goal at least by 1%? Over the next 2-3 days, what can I do? And every single day, 1%, 1%, 1%. Remember guys, a lot of you today are making the mistake of trying to go 100%. You guys will work super hard. You guys will tell everyone in your family and friends that I am going to be successful because I am starting Fulan business and Fulan business, or I'm now a forex trader, I am now an ACN guy, I'm now drop shipping, whatever it is, right? Whatever it is. Not to say I'm a fan of any of these things, right? But you tell yourself I'm going to do this, and for 3 months, 4 months, you'll be flat out. You tell the world, you will convince yourself you're going to be successful because of this thing, but as soon as you start burning out in that 3-4 months, you slow down, you stop, and that's it. The truth is, I would rather you not go 100% for 3 months and put in work every single day for 3 months. I would rather you work at 20 or 30% every single day and you do that for 2 years, because that's how you're going to see real success. But again, this is a deep topic and I have to speak about this for hours and hours, and I really want to help you guys. So comment below, let me know. Do you want me to create a whole course on a mindset? Comment below mindset and I'll create something for you guys. As long as I can keep giving you guys value, I'm happy to do so.